Use wine that you don't like that someone brought over to your house. Maybe use that wine. We're gonna do a sangria. Normally, I hate sangria. It's full of sugar. They add Sprite, they'll add Schnapps. Ugh, not for me. I created this sangria because it is a delicious way to enjoy wine during the day, wine at night. It's just great all around, and it's a great thing to add to a table at a barbecue or at a party where everyone can just help themselves. So, I'm using Spanish wine, brandy, and triple sec. No sugar, no sweetener, nothing artificial. I also use this Barker & Quinn tonic. It's a raspberry flavored tonic, so it has a little bit of that raspberry taste. It's all natural, it's low in sugar, so it doesn't taste fake, which is why I really like it. So I'm also gonna use some fruit. Use whatever fruit that you have. I have strawberries here today, so I'm gonna use quartered strawberries, 1 orange, a pear, and some lemon. Cut this orange up into smaller pieces and then muddle it with the alcohol. I've cut up my orange, so we're gonna measure in our brandy. So we're gonna do 1/2 cup of brandy and 1/4 cup of triple sec. We're gonna add our oranges. The orange has a bit of a thick skin, so it's easily muddleable, if that's a word. I made it one. So we're just gonna kind of smash it up. Don't go crazy, but you just want the fruit to kind of soak in some of that liquor. Then we're gonna get our pitcher. This is a melamine pitcher. It's great if people have too much sangria and they wanna knock it over. So we're just gonna pour that in. We're gonna add our wine. Don't use a good wine, use a medium wine. Use wine that you don't like that someone brought over to your house. Maybe use that wine. I have Spanish wine today. So we poured in our wine to the orange and the alcohol mixture. We're gonna add our strawberries. So we're just gonna dice up a pear. Make sure you take the seeds and the core out. So we're gonna add the pear. And then I have just 1 lemon. You don't wanna muddle the lemon because you don't want it super citrusy. So the lemon's just there to add a little bit of freshness, cut the liquor so you're not taking a gulp out of wine and triple sec and brandy. And then we're gonna add in our 2 times 200 ml of the raspberry tonic. And we're just gonna pour that into the jug. You could top it up after, but as you pour it in the glass, it kind of just mixes together. It tastes lovely. So I've made these simple mint, lemon, and raspberry ice cubes. I think it adds a really nice touch. All you have to do is freeze mint, a little slice of lemon, you could freeze a slice of orange, a little piece of fruit. And the king ice cube is really nice because they melt really slowly. The ice cubes really just add that special touch. This drink is a great way to welcome your guests. It looks great on the table. It's not gonna break the bank, and it's the perfect way to ring in the summer. Cheers.